Hello, I'm the majestic tiger, ruler of the jungle. With my striking orange coat and powerful stripes, I am the epitome of strength and grace.
Greetings! I am the wise and gentle elephant. With my enormous ears and long trunk, I roam the savannahs, embodying wisdom and loyalty.
Hi there, I'm the elegant giraffe towering above the treetops. With my long neck and graceful stride, I am the tallest creature in the land.
Roar! I am the mighty lion, king of the beasts. With my golden mane and fierce roar, I command respect and admiration from all who encounter me.
Hey, I'm the swift and agile cheetah, fastest land animal in the world. With my sleek body and spotted coat, I am built for speed and precision.
Hello, I'm the stylish zebra, sporting stripes that make me stand out in the crowd. With my unique appearance and social nature, I bring harmony to the grasslands.
Greetings. I am the powerful gorilla, guardian of the jungle. With my massive build and gentle demeanor, I am a symbol of strength and family unity.
Hi, I'm the sturdy rhinoceros, armored and formidable. With my thick skin and iconic horn, I am a force to be reckoned with in the wild.
Hello there. I am the elusive leopard, master of stealth and agility. With my spotted coat and keen senses, I am the epitome of cunning and adaptability.
Hey, I'm the mighty hippopotamus, ruler of the riverbanks. With my hefty frame and formidable tusks, I am both feared and respected in my watery domain.